Sam, who is a farmer, went to his fields to spray pesticides to protect his crops from pests. Sam observed that he's been using chemicals extensively. He also realized using chemical pesticides has been the root cause to his respiratory and skin ailments. He decided to switch to natural pesticides to protect him from the exposure of harmful chemicals. After his research, he learned about Terra Neem, the brand which has been revolutionizing the farming space by making natural and organic pesticides. Consumers who intake the food which is harvested from organically cultivated crops can lead a healthy lifestyle. It is safe and does not contaminate soil and water. Terra Neem oil is also available in water-soluble form. It's so simple to use. Just mix 160 milliliters into 16 liters of water and spray it on your crops. The pest that feeds on these crops will not want to eat anymore just after one small bite. It will have already affected its brain impulses. Thus, the pest will not have the feeling of hunger and will eventually die. Pest attack reduction can be seen in the first 3 days of application. Within 7 days, most of the pests would die. Its effect will last up to 15 days. Studies show neem oil will not affect honeybees, which help in cross-pollination. Spray Terra Neem oil on the plants from its young stage to give it a healthy look. Neem oil will provide the plants with elements that it needs to keep it strong. Farmers can work with their family without any fear of health concerns. Just add 1.5 liters of Terra Neem oil soluble to 200 liters of water, enough for 1 hectare land. In normal conditions, you can spray this every 15 days. For severe pest attacks, use every 7 days. Terra Neem is affordable. It is effective for a wide range of crops and plantations. Don't settle for anything less than Terra Neem products for your crops. Terra Neem is ideal for most types of crops and plantations. Peach, apples, cherries, almonds, strawberries, banana plantations can use Terra Neem products to prevent pest attacks. It can also be used in the cultivation of grains such as oats, wheat, barley, and rice. It is also ideal for veggies such as cabbage, carrot, tomatoes, and lettuce. Aphids, nematodes, caterpillars, thrips, mites, beetles can be fully controlled upon regular application of Terra Neem products. Our brand has organic certifications and permits such as EcoCert, iFoam, and OMRI. Our factory is ISO certified and equipped with state-of-the-art machinery for oil extraction, storing, and packaging. We are proud to be an Indian brand with a global footprint. Terra is one of a reputed brand for Neem and Karanja products in USA. Our buyers are spread across 4 continents, over 30 countries. Terra Neem products are registered by government agencies in Japan and Australia. Mexico, Canada, Argentina, and Brazil are continually preferring organic fertilizers and pesticides and are importing in large volume. Now opt for Terra Neem products, the best solution to all your crop issues. We offer a wide range of insecticides and pesticides in natural and water-soluble form. Terra Neem Jet, Terra Neem Fix, Terra Biostar, Terra Pure Neem Oil, Terra Pure Karanja Oil, a range of organic fertilizers, Neem Mate, Neem Plus, Neem Nutrico, Pure Neem Cake, Pure Karanja Cake. Contact Sun Bio Naturals, India Private Limited for your inquiries. We're available in WhatsApp, Skype, and email. We will revert within 24 hours.